Hello friends and welcome to this amazing lecture in Flet where we are going to use the animation switcher. That is, if something or some photo is displayed or something is displayed at a particular window, you can just switch that or you can switch views when you click the button. So as you can see, we've already started with the code. So we just need to import an extra module here, that is import time module. And then just let's get started. So if you know, we have a very important or a very cool feature in Flet, that is ft.image. So if you have the image or if you want to display some images, then you use this method, this function here, and then you have the src is equals to, I have the source already with me, so I'll just go copy and paste it. I'll just go ahead and copy and paste it. I'll be pasting this code for you guys, so you don't have to worry about being or not able to code. If you have some errors, you can just follow along with the code, and that's it. Now we end the src, and after that we update the page. So we have page dot update, and this now what we have to do is we have to create another transition method or a function or something like an animated switcher, which is already present in FT. So we have SW, that is switch, is equals to, so this will be outside this function. So SW is equals to, or else no, this will be inside the animate function. So first we have to create the animate function, that is animate is equals to, or animate e, and then we have sw.content. So what is the switching content actually? So sw.content, and that content is equal to ft.image. Now again the image which we have, we will be just displaying that. So we'll be using the same thing again, width and height. Now what we have to do here extra is that when you press that button, some time is being changed, so we need the src in this format. So something is changed, so then we have, after that we use this API, that is time.time, and then the same thing, width changes and height changes. You can change this to maybe 350 and height as well to 350, so that you can view it better. This 150 is, I've tried it, it is a bit smaller, you won't be able to visualize that content properly. And let's just take this src below and the application. Now, mind you, this SW will give you an error or a warning, let's say, but we'll be completing the code soon. So we have SW is equals to, and we have ft dot animated switcher. So yeah, we'll use this function animated switcher, and inside this function now we'll add all the things, that is I, that's the image, what image source we had initially. After that we have the transition, that is transition is equals to, so that's a variable transition. How do we need to transition? The transition is equals to ft dot, and then we have the animated switcher dot transition again. So we have the animated switcher dot transition dot and then we have scale. So ft.animated switcher transition scale. So if you don't mind, I'll just okay, this is not a dot here, animated switcher transition, it's the whole method here, and then we have scale. So what are we using? We are using the scale. So after that we put a comma, then we have duration. So how much? So it's 500 milliseconds something, so 500 seconds basically. Duration is equals to 500. Reverse duration is equals to again 500. Then we have switch in curve, so that will be bouncing out or bouncing in. So we have switch in curve and switch out curve. So both of them will be just copying and pasting them. So that's it. Add these everything to the page. So we add the page dot add. So what do we add here? We add SW, comma, we have ft dot elevated button now, and to elevate to their elevated button. That button will be animate. Again, this will be animate. Let's just animate it, and then what will happen? On click animate is called. So if you don't even write the on click, that will be by default. This on click method is called. So we have on click is equals to animate, and now we just end the application which is already there present. That is ft.app. Now save the application and run this. So as soon as you run it, we will see that these photos will be displayed here, and you can change these photos when you click the animate. When you click the animate, or something's not right, I guess. It's not changing the images. Let's just rerun this. So when we rerun this, we have, yeah, so it just bounces in, and then the new image is bounced out. So that's the cool animation. Let's just change this to 350, what we had. So it's just better to visualize the images here. Yes, so now you see, okay, I didn't save this. Let's just save and rerun them. So if you see, the sub window is a bigger one, and you can see the images now with maximized. So that's a very cool animation feature which we have. You can use this, you can utilize this. So these are the building the basic steps for a final application. You can play around with this, as I said, and you can put in your efforts, you can put in your ideas and bring out in the code something or the other. So in the future lectures, we'll be doing very cool applications like a to-do application, and we'll be start to end, we'll be visualizing like how to package the application so that we can use it in a Windows or a Mac machine. So stay tuned for the future lectures. Thank you.